Hello guys, today I am talking about Google AdWords Keyword Planner. How to use the Keyword Planner tool effectively. Learn how to use the Keyword Planner tool effectively to lay the groundwork for a successful campaign on Google. Make the most of your experience when using the Google Ads keyword tool. The Google Ad Keyword Planner tool is a useful resource for building strong keyword list and helping to get your PPC campaign off to a running start. A free to use features within Google Ads. Its tool is generating keywords idea and bid estimation can help you plan your marketing strategy. By using the Google AdWords tool, you can search for keyword and add group ideas. See how a list of keywords might perform and even combine keyword list to create new one. It can also help you choose competitive bids and budget to use in your campaign. For example, let's say you run a Vermont based business selling locally made and resources maple syrup across the country. The Google AdWords tool can help you identify term, phrases and words potential customers are searching for related to your business that you might not have thought of before. You may be bidding against the phrase handmade syrup and locally sourced syrup, but the Google AdWords tool might uncover related and frequently searched terms like breakfast condiment, handcrafts syrup, etc. Once you understand the basic of using the Google AdWords tool, there are several strategies you can adopt to help take your campaign to the next level. Check out this tip on how to use the keyword planner to help you and find it way to our potential customers. Search the moment they want what you offer. Use basic filtering of refine your audience and budget. When you start using the keyword planner, you give in 4 options. Search for new keyword allow you to type in a phrase, website or category to generate new idea. Multiple keyword list. Combine two separate lists that you input to create new keyword combination. Get search volume and trend. Shows the historical, trending and search volume data of keyword. Get click and cost performance forecast. Give your performance projection for your keyword. List based on average bid and your budget. When you input keyword into any of these options, you get a list of report which you can then filter based on a variety of elements. While a keyword may have a high search volume nationally or across other wide area, you can filter the location to help you determine whether it's a popular and relevant term in your local area. Reach. Location gives search volume data and trend based on a specified geographic location or range. Language. Give search volume data and trend or for a specific language. This could be especially useful if you have multiple language version or page of your site, for example English and Spanish. Search network determine where the provide data comes from. The default data source in from Google. However, you may also those Google and Google search partners. Negative keywords filter out any words and phrases that you don't want to see in your result. For instance, if you don't want to target anything with the words cheap or free, this is free, you enter those restrictions. Data range. Let you enter a specific data range so you can see average monthly searches for that time period. You can also compare two different data ranges. This could be especially useful in determining if certain keywords perform better during different times of years to help your strategize and campaign timing. Keyword filters. Average monthly searches. Filter keyword based on average monthly searches of selected dates. Keyword within extremely high search volume. Generally, 1000 average monthly searches are more difficult to complete for with a higher suggested bid. If you just starting your campaign focusing on keyword with mid-level search volume may help you avoid spending too much of your budget on too few keyword. Suggested bid allow you to see keyword options that could help you stay in better control of your budget. Your suggested bid in calculate by taking into account the cost per click CPC that other advisors are paying to keyword with the same location and search network setting you selected. Add impression share. The number of time people will see your ad divided by the total number of searches that match your keyword exactly in the last month for your selected location and network. Organic impression share. The percentage of time a page from your website showed up in a regular unpaid web search for a keyword. Note, this is only available if you join your Google Analytics account to your Google Ad account. Organic average position. Show how page from your website rank in regular unpaid searches compared to page from other website. Note, this is only if you join your Google Analytics account to your Google Ad account. Competition lets you filter keyword by how difficult it will be to receive a top position with them. You can filter by high, medium and low difficulty. For small business, it's generally recommend to filter for medium to low difficulty, as these tend to have a lower suggested base, so you can make more of your budget. Keyword options lets you further narrow your research to show only ideas that are closely related to your search term or content. Keywords that are already in your plan, and more. While the purpose of filter is to while down your keyword list or report, remember not to see too many restrictions. Consider starting general using just one or no filter to start and testing out of filters to make sure you aren't overlooking any opportunity. As you become more familiar with keyword in your industry, add the filtering option available. You start to find what filter option work for you. Now that you have the basic on how to use the keyword planner, it's time to explore some strategies for making the most of it. Use quality keywords over a quantity of keywords. If you are struggling to think outside the box for keyword or to find ones that are relevant to your business, the keyword planner can help you discover your terms and phrases potential customers are using to search for business like yours. The tool allow you to view Google recommend keywords generated by keyword. Type in words and phrases relevant to your business and website to get new idea or longer form keyword you may not have considered before. Landing page. Enter a specific page on your site or any site, and the tool will read the page and generate relevant keywords. Product category. Select which product categories best describe your business to discover popular keywords frequently searched within your industry. This could help you identify keywords that you may not have realized potential customers are using to search for business like yours. When analyzing the suggestion the tool give you, keep in mind that if a keyword has high search volume, there might also be a lots of competition for it, raising its suggested bit. Try to choose keywords that are realistic for your competition and that won't absorb the majority of your budget. Show your ad to your geographic audience. The keyword planner filter allows to customize where your ad show up based on language or location. This might be particularly useful if, for example, your business has a physical storefront and you're therefore hoping to reach more people searching around your location. While a keyword may have a high search volume nationally or across other wide areas, the filter can help you determine whether it's a popular and relevant term in your local area. Back to our Vermont based maple syrup business example, you can set your filter to whatever simplicity, whether that within your city, Putney State, Vermont, country, USA, and beyond. Your result in the keyword planner 2 will show the average monthly search volume, search trend, suggested bit, etc. for Putney, Vermont, or whatever you set or your geographic area. These filters will also let you design your campaign around different languages. If you find that your company is popular with both English and Spanish speakers, using the keyword advert keyword tool help you find the most relevant keyword in each language. So you can create separate ad group to reach both audience. Prepare for what your competitors are paying. The competition level for keyword choices can substantially inflate their cost based on how many other people are bidding on it, particularly keywords. Competition level in rank low, medium or high. High competition keyword cost more per average bid, and using them may make it more difficult and expensive for your ad to gain a top level viewing position. Using the Google Ad keyword tool can help you find effective keywords that fit your budget by showing you what other advertisers are paying for keyword. The tool suggested bid column shows the average amount being spent to rank in a top level position for a particular keyword. You can see which of your desired keywords are within reach of your budget and build your campaign around them to improve your chance to being seen by potential customers. While the suggest based features provide a good estimation of general cost, Google first page bid estimate tool provide an estimate of how much it will cost to rank on the first result page based on the quality score of your keyword and current competition of them. To view the estimated first page bit metric of for your keywords, follow this step. Visit the Keywords tab and click the Columns button. Select Modify Columns from the drop down menu. In the Attribute drop down menu, add EST first page bit and click Save. You can do the same to view your estimated top of page bid. Add EST top page bid and save. If the first page bid estimated is very high, it may mean that your keyword quality score is poor. You can click the help bubble next to your keyword to find more details. To find out more about this topic, check out our article on first page with estimate. Analyze your plan to help make the most of your budget. As you discover keywords that are visible. Option. Click the button to the right of a column to add them your keyword plan. This will temporarily store your potential keyword. Once the keywords are in your plan, you can set a daily budget bid, maximum and location to receive a detailed forecast about the potential for the keyword that you chosen. Once you have a list of 1 to 20 keywords for your group, clicking on the Review for Forecast button will display the estimate click, impression, average position, and average conversion rate for your potential keyword, so you can analyze whether they're realistic for your budget range. Use your finding to add and delete keyword until you have a refined list that will help make the most of your budget. The Google AdWords Keyword Planner is a useful tool to lay the groundwork for a successful PPC campaign no matter your budget or company size. This tool can help you customize your keyword for more efficiency. Keep these strategies for use to the Keyword Planner tool in mind to help your online marketing campaign succeed. If you still have questions about using the Google AdWords tools, check out of this helpful support page. I hope you like it my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.